Here we describe the use of parentheses in the Composer of Trading Conceiver. First we introduce the operator precedence concept. Then we show how to use parentheses in the Composer of Trading Conceiver. Finally, some examples of application are proposed. All logical operators of Trading Conceiver described in the previous chapter have the same precedence. This means that they are applied in the order they are encountered. In the Composer, they are applied from top to bottom. In general, however, you want full control of the order in which they are applied, because by changing the order, the logic is completely different. A simple mathematical example. If we need to perform 1 plus 2 multiplied by 3, the result is different. If we perform the multiplication first and then the sum, we obtain 7, or the other way around, the sum first and the multiplication after. We obtain 9. You can control the order of expression execution through the use of parentheses. Operators with their input arguments in inner parentheses will be executed first. The process is repeated up the hierarchy, always inner parentheses first. Parentheses can be nested. To activate a parenthesis, click it. To deactivate it, click it again. Obviously, parentheses must be matched. The same number of left and right parentheses must appear. If not, a warning is shown. You must explicitly click the parenthesis button to activate or deactivate them. However, in the tabs Stop Loss and Take Profit, the behavior is slightly different to facilitate the user. In these two tabs there are fewer possible combinations, so you need to click only once the desired parenthesis to select or deselect it, and the matching parenthesis is managed automatically. In order to make operators and arguments of parentheses more visible, the background is colored according to the parentheses. You can select the color of inner and outer parentheses by clicking on the corresponding button in the Colors pane. Suppose you are considering 4 algorithms to decide when to go long. One of your algorithms is the white candle. You want to go long only on a white candle, and this is of priority importance for you. Another algorithm you are considering very important is the delta DI positive. You deem the other two of less importance, stochastic greater than threshold and MACD histogram positive. You don't care about which of the last two is true, it is just enough for one of them to be, but you want the delta DI positive to be true in any way. In this case, you can use the parentheses and the operators as shown here. The less important algorithms are enclosed in their own matching parentheses and ORed together. Then you AND the resulting signal with the delta DI positive output. Finally, you AND such result with the white candle algorithm. In this particular example, the outer parentheses would not be strictly necessary, but it's always a good norm to explicitly select them and not to rely on operator precedence. The at least two operator, together with its arguments, must always be put between parentheses if another operator appears in the same tab. In this example, you want to enter a long position only on white candles and when at least two of the other algorithms are true.